In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert MOV to MP4. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you have an MOV file, but it's not compatible on a certain application or anything like that, so you need to put it to MP4. So what you want to do is go ahead and type in Handbrake on your browser of choice, and you want to download this open source video transcoder. Go to downloads and download it for whatever you're using. For example, if you're on Windows 10 or later, like me, just go ahead and download the exe installer. Then once it's installed, all you want to do is go ahead and open up Handbrake like so. Now what you want to do is drag and drop whichever file you want into here. So this one's an MP4 file, but let's just say it was a MOV. It's the same app, way to do it. Go ahead and drag and drop it, and then it's going to show like this. Now you want to make sure the format is MP4. Then you can ignore the dimensions tab and the filters tab. Go over to video, and then you just want to make sure it's H264, X264, and then you can change the frame rate to the same as source, so nothing changes. You want to make sure it's a constant frame rate, and this is going to basically be your compression stage. So if you don't want any compression, you want no quality change, put it all the way to placebo quality. You can also change the encoder profile to high if you want to. And then when you go ahead and do that, all you want to do is press start encode, but you can make sure you know where it's being saved as well. If you want to change where it's being saved, go ahead and click browse over here too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.